Hi friends, welcome to another English quiz. Four options are given for each question. You have to select the best possible answer. Let's start. Question number 1. Each of the students dash responsible for completing the assignment on time. The correct option is B, is. Question number 2. Neither the teacher nor the students dash aware of the changes in schedule. The correct option is B, were. Question number 3. The painting along with the sculptures dash displayed in the museum. The correct option is C, is. Question number 4. The committee dash to make a final decision by next week. The correct option is C, plans. Question number 5. If I dash earlier, I would not have missed the bus. The correct option is B, had left. Question number 6. She is not only talented in music, dash also skilled in painting. The correct option is D, but also. Question number 7. Everyone should bring dash on lunch. The correct option is B, his or her. Question number 8. Running through the park, the flowers dash vibrant and beautiful. The correct option is A, smelled. Question number 9. The teacher gave us a list of books dash were to be read over the summer. The correct option is B, which. Question number 10. The author as well as the editors dash responsible for the content. The correct option is C, is. Question number 11. The manager demanded that he dash present at the meeting. The correct option is B, B. Question number 12. This is the student dash essay won the prize. The correct option is B, whose. Question number 13. The dog chased its tail in dash amusement. The correct option is B, its. Question number 14. No sooner had we arrived, dash it started to rain. The correct option is A, then. Question number 15. He asked whether she dashed the keys in the drawer. The correct option is C, had left. Question number 16. I prepare tea. dash coffee. The correct option is C. 2. Question number 17. Each of the cars dash equipped with GPS. The correct option is B. Is. Question number 18. Hardly dash lecture began when the lights went out. The correct option is D. Had. Question number 19. There was a large crowd. Dash many were tourists. The correct option is B. Many of whom. Question number 20. The more she practiced, dash she became. The correct option is C. The more confident. Question number 21. He is one of the players who dash always on time. The correct option is C. R. Question number 22. I don't know dash to choose for the scholarship. The correct option is B. Home. Question number 23. The car, including all its accessories, dash insured. The correct option is C. Is. Question number 24. She sings as if she dash a professional. The correct option is C. Were. Question number 25. The scientist explained the results clearly. Dash impressed the panel. The correct option is A. Which. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel English Learners.